To all ganja car, ganja biker, and ganja man. Tell the government, tell them fellow ganja man.
I am the man, I am the leaf, I am the man, I am the leaf. Now I can't run the way.
One chant. Every gangster. Anywhere. Heard the word, all ganja word. All the burning on commission. Jigsyking I sing. Give it, don't give it. Me lick the chalice like the water.
Greetings and welcome to the YG Nature Life channel. In this video is an iconic video. 90s and 80s dancehall artists in the BigYard BBC One Extra with Charlie B. This video dropped yesterday and I've seen it last night. I just want to share it with you. Of Terryganzie, Generalb. Oh, just watch the thing. Watch the video, man. Watch it now.
BBC Radio 1 Extra in Jamaica. If you know about dancehall, you can have this line up in the section.
Littlejohn, Juniorcat,
Guinea Pepper, Littlejohn, Generalb, Jigsyking, and Juniorcat.
Alright.
This is
dancehall. Run it.
What we got all over me? What we got all over me?
Yo!
What is that? Look out! Come take it. All over me, girl, all over me, and all over me, girl, all over. Stop it!
Yo!
What we got all over me, yeah. We got all over me, yeah. Look out! Come take it. All over me, girl, all over me, and all over me, girl, all over me. She know I'm pretty back, I just tickle me belly, and in a the bed she have to take a nighty, and lick her chin up on her sexy body. You say me now, girl, can't mind me. You say me now, girl, can't mind me. If a girl try that, she a go there for you. But you know, sell her buffet, she a go sell her TV, and opportunity she have to wait to me. I say when you continue.
Skip the comment.
Want it.
General rhythm.
Come out till I want it. Juniorcat and rule.
General rhythm.
Yeah.
Say what you say.
That's why me sing. Say what you
Come
say.
Do what you do.
Different shot. I'm not telling. Big operation session. Why you? Baby extra, you don't know the thing said. Baby extra. I'm not telling, man. Charlie, me big enough. Me sing, say what you say. Check. And do what they're doing. Cause I've got something, baby, money can buy. Because oh yeah, I'm this little girl of mine. Ooh yeah. Cause when I ain't got no money, she is still my honey. And there is no reason to be funny, cause I sing out people. Oh yeah, I'm this little girl of mine. Ooh, oh take that, look here. Well, I'm alive, and I'm full of words, sitting and something. And she put my hand to make me cry. Look at me, let's night. What?
It in the magazine.
Charlie B.
Charlie B. Rough hour next.
Stop it again. Yeah, man, true confession, I want to name. I do right to do the part.
Rough hour next.
This is my true confession. Oh, true confession. Look here. When I'm laughing, I'm full of words, sitting as a good. And she blow my hand to make me cry. Look at the moon, and that's why I do. Confession, it can be the story. And then all of a sudden, when she goes down, and she still won't listen to me. But when I call her up, and I apologize. Say she love me good time indeed. But I'm afraid that's the best of life. As I know she won't listen to me. Lord, I know she wouldn't listen to me. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Don't wanna hear a word what I'm saying. Who can't you see? BB extra. You fit tell me say you ready. BBX, you better me say you way.
I wanna put up circle and pull a hole. I wanna come like
Juniorcat.
I say most countrymen are in a town them jam. A Kingston the most man come from. Police and soldier, everybody have one. Spanish town, you know we got the largest gang. Tell you about the one other and the clansman. There's a Miller black man, Bulby one dan. And them man they take over the Spaniard land. But I in a Spanish town only for black man hang. So check out the love you can help me sing this one. Whole Laban you have a full enough pussy man. A whole Laban here the swim round come from. Me pen up play pen a ramp with Clarendon. I same place down there where red come from. You pass the saltfish and yam. Head on to man the fruit you yell up such a Charlton. But don't forget the dana where them called Skeng man. You know the centility better cultivation. Vegetables and fruits, banana and yam. You know the Westmoreland belongs to all ganja. Ganja car, ganja bike and ganja man. Tell the government to them fellow ganja man. You know it's a girl to that a tourist land. Jerk chicken finger licking 12 miles a white sand. And that's a tourist hold them meditation. And overload it and the construction. That means that the government not stop selling but money. Here is your question. Where is some old kill this gun come from? We're talking to the MP, the mayor and the Dan. Security minister now and policeman. Why them killing out so much younger youth man? Is it a sacrifice or something gone wrong? Paul Montreal the lightning bolt come from. And the parties runner from down on Jam 1. You touch a Santana Marcus Gavilan. But send me a reproduce some good musician. Desmond Valentine and Barry Salmon. Go circle over culture somewhere up on Portland. I stop a center man so we go check Bushman. But tell them they can check Bushman. We want to be on the love is never put up on the one. Well there's a one that's up on man. Look at something here.
Generalb.
This is dancehall history. And it's a memorable moment. Remember the rhythm because this is dancehall history. No, sir. But one thing we know, sir, it's in the veteran of your son. He must before me. It's the him, he must before me. It's the him, he must before me. It's the Jigsying. Anyone on the can't take it. Come on, every artist. It's outside. Now I am him. Give me the, 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 don't give me the, give me the, don't give me the, give me the, give me the, don't give me the, 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 don't give me the weed, don't give me the weed. We have the Rizla. I give me the weed. I got that cure the asthma. I give me the weed. I make create dancing product. Don't give me the, 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 give me the.
Say them a free me so. Every move when me make, every step them just a see me so. Oh them a free me so. Me want know how could I why them a free me. Every move when me make, every step them a see me. How could I why them a free me. Like them go at them bed at night time fi go dream me. How could I why them a free me. Every move when me make, every step them see me. How could I why them a free me. Like them go at them bed at night. Yeah. From me born, from me mother me born as a stepper. Everybody know me at the real Guinea pepper. Some want to be me but they can never want to be me when you're not that clever. Me no jump on bandwagon, man me no follow back. What I can't turn, I'll get up, can't turn pepper. Girls them say that me hot like fire. Me no pimp, what you think? Me no follow back. Me no drink anything, me can buy me one baba. Drink me one rum and me saga. They no pepper at all, them a just a laba laba. Them bout the real pepper, them a dance and scatter. Free me so. When every move.
Yeah.
Them shall be different. So let's go.
No, no.
Punani.
No man, let's go.
Terryganzie, go on man. Forward.
I'm gonna contradict the pace. I will make some guy
I am in Miami.
Yeah, man, feel like they were chase. I am the man, I am the live, I am the man, I am the live. Now I can't run away. This. I want to do this again. Some boy rap a lot and chat and kind of bust a glock. Give now. That one your name. Mouth bad man them, phone bad man them, clothes bad man them, white from bad man them, bad monks and friend them, bad in a gang them. Yeah, the shaggy beat up here them boy there. Mouth bad man them, phone bad man them, clothes bad man them, NSC bad man them, bad monks and friend them, bad in a gang them. Yeah, the phone up here them boy there. Yes, they don't blaze it, some just come in. Matching up the thing like some old crack fiend telling me chat what more before them even be skin before. Senate and West and even mini 14 before. And me run pop and AR-15 before. Buckle boom and cut off most 16. To not fight them Mr. Cat with them Glock 19. Tonight them up will make the scene. Hold on! Wait. General be talking. Ever seen real talking? Papa and boy the double tell them what them dead. Wicked and the crash of Kendall. Hold them up and scare them up like an Indian. People say me wicked at Hitler from German. West was won by gun bayonets and bullets and bombs. Guinea pepper in a session. Big up the one Littlejohn. General B is rock the song.
Oh yes sir, oh yes.
This little star that we used to go watch it. Oh yes, Sonny B. Who put him funny on it and be still figure. Then Jigsyking him and see right killer. Two upon him put him a van and all filler. Better you go back and villa. Well then, cookie boy go get paid.
I'm ready, Jiggy ready.
Man I know by cologne, you can't feel free. And your time you so you better jump on the bed. You know we big, we bad
And I look inside you, Father, it's at school. Look like it's on the line with me fit too. Everyone sing, come!
She wanna bring that to pregnant.
Five years since it's a kiss, should I know, mama. 5 years, yes, it's a fat, should I know, mama. Yes, if I'm pregnant, you can't marry. But if you put me out, you are go sorry. Remember, she is the only picnic. Last night, you tell me you love me, man. She wanna pregnant, yes, mama. 5 years since it's a kiss, should I know, mama. She asked some question with the stop over, she. Man on the baby, yes, mama. He might go buy your baby things, yes, mama. Your man good looking, she a ball don't know, mama don't know, don't know, mama don't know. What you kill, you want kill me, don't know. It is a heart of my body, don't know. It must be what she loves, baby, don't know. They're not pregnant, yes, mama. Mama says it's a kiss, mama. Yeah.
Out of it and fly out your mouth and fly out your back out. When you happy, I wanna love it till they jump and shout. But tell them Juniorcat and him a roughneck scout and Terryganzie.
Please man, treat your woman right. Please man, treat the girls right. Please man, treat your lover right. Please man, treat the girls right. Watch out the girl them a take life. Come in at the case and them a muggle na them tights. With them and now watch them get one more strike. Go to the left, center and the right. Pull up on your lover and pull her up tight. Romantic partners cruising tonight. God bless you for the body when you have is like hardware and lumber. Who never deal with. Well God bless you. Next shot.
Guinney, come on, Guinney one piece, yeah.
Check one check.
Yo.
Guinney, one Guinney.
That's something to the girl.
I remember mama, everything she's done for me. She never about me, she never throw me away. And my daddy is hard working, and a family to maintain. But it's 9 months then labor, sweetie mama take me here. Oh, it's 9 months then labor, sweetie mama take me here. Let's send for the Father, we need his love and care. You know daddy is hard working, and a family to maintain. But it's 9 months then labor, sweetie mama take me here. Hey children, remember those 9 months your mama kept you in her womb. How much it must be painful for she alone to bear. But mama, she keep up until she take us there. Within a 9 months then labor, sweetie mama take me here. I know it's 9 months then labor, sweetie mama take me here. Let's send for the Father, we need his love and care. You know daddy is hard working, and a family to maintain. But it's 9 months and labor, sweetie mama take me here. My daddy work until dawn. Next track.
So the man says so the Kingston play.
Give me the weed. Give me the weed.
BBC.
Watch out now.
Give me the word. Hold on the word. Hold on. Pull up. My respect. Sound of you. One chang. Every gangster. Anywhere. Give me the word. Hold on the word. Want to burn it on time. Jigsyking I sing. Give me the word. Good sense to it. I love guns. I'm standing here like this. Oh, guns are the healing of the nation. England myself. Baby, say Sean, baby, get on. What? I remember Sashi. Everybody there. Anyway, give me the word. Go down the word. On the burn it on, come here, say. Jigsyking I sing. Give me the word. Don't sense the word. Ganja me bud. Ganja the healing of the nation. Ganja was found on the grave of Kingston. There's some past and this plus that man. Also we don't get our way through the vision. When I will walk through the valley, I run through the swamp. Not stop the move along until we reach it. China ya mingi the true Rastaman. I just sing it up. Turn it up and burn it up. Give me the word. Go down the word. Let me. I want to talk something, you know. I don't kill them becks, you know. Listen now. Coming from the west, only the best. Me a some man, never talk about arrest. Box down the corporal, kick down the spec and say no. This is cancer, you're not gonna get so. Give me the word, go down the word. Why you
Give it pepper.
Give me the word.
My father was too, man.
Give me the word. Give me the word.
Pull up me still a post weed. Go and play friend, go buy some fish and roast weed. Take roast weed. Food for me brain, make it toast weed. Give me the grip by the center, fasting and toast weed. Bush weed that you want come with. Almost weed. We import, we export, transport and get the port with. High grade weed, high grade weed. Just give it, just give it, just give it, give it, give it. Me lick the chalice like the water.
Alright.
Well, that's started what I get started with.
Big pepper and big sound.
High grade. Shiny be smoking great. BBC. One extra one. Just for this. We believe the Chinese make the water go. He make me go so. He make me go so. Smoke the earth. BBC. Make the Chinese go so. Give me the weedy. Put up the cigarette like half of the weedy. Smoke the weed till we eyes them bleedy. Pass another couple load and give me. Smoke the herb. We make it tell it come some.
Oi, hear them enough. Tell them marijuana can done. Light up a sniff and beg your blaze. You chill on me there enough. Tell them ganja can done. Hey, police boy. Now yo. What you lock up the ganja man for? What you a search Rasta man for? Look how long man say legalize ganja. Tell the police them not give me no back answer. The free cartel and that will long for something. Cigarette and that cancer. I big up baby ganja man and every gangster. Are you King Selassie? Are you King Selassie?
Hold up, Sonny B.
When I last signed this video.
Hold up. From the small to get the artists of the 19th century. Billions of dollars are spent to erase the great history of reggae music. You know what I say? Jamaica try erase itself from consciousness. Big up Major Mackerel. You don't know, you know. Let it go. Listen to one now. Big up Bob Marley. Jacob Miller, Peter Tosh, and
Money
great to
well.
contribute towards the growing of reggae music. Sasha, big up yourself. Yep. All the good you done sometimes is not enough. Still have some people not satisfied. Give them your heart, they have no conscience. The love you shows them makes no sense. Some will pretend as if they are with you. When push come to shove, that's not true. Experience or shiny be too wise. He can see behind the devil eyes. I will be there when they all turn their back against me. Sure.
Rastafari.
I want to things to talk, but maybe I'm not the right place. Let's take a shot at it.
Alright, that for today. Even that comments what you think. Give thanks.